Hello everybody, I'm Carl Rides and welcome to this unboxing video of the SodaStream Fizzi. I got this as part of SodaStream's £20 offer that they did recently in an effort to cut the amount of plastic one-use bottles that we use. Now I love sparkly water, but going to the store and getting it, bringing it home and all the plastic that uses as well, petrol, etc, and the cost, I've been wanting a SodaStream for a while now, but they're quite expensive usually. So when I saw this £20 offer, I was really excited. So I've got one right here, and we're going to unbox it. I'm going to open it up. Thank you for choosing SodaStream. So inside, we get a 1 litre carbonation bottle. So that's where you fill it up to, and then this goes onto the machine and it carbonates the water in here. So you fill it up with tap water up to there, and it does it from there. I've also got 2 little bottles coming as well that I'm going to be taking to work with me in the future. We get a 60 litre carbonation tank. So this is good for 60 litres of sparkly water. You can take the empty ones of these and get a new one from loads of different stores, including my local Argos, for around £13. So £13 for 60 litres isn't bad at all. And now the machine itself. And we've also got some warranty and useful information there as well, but this is the main attraction right here. This is the SodaStream itself. No batteries, no electric, no nothing, just the pure pressurisation of the can makes this all work. Let's bubble, push down firmly, hold 2 seconds and release. 3 times for a light fizz, 5 times for a strong fizz, continue to extra fizz. Let's push down on this button here for 2 seconds, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, and that'll give you a light fizz, 5 will give you a normal fizz. So we should be able to get this off somehow. There we go. So that comes off right there. And we get the canister itself as well. So we pull off the tab here. Like so. And remove the cap as well. And then we bob it into here. And we screw it into the back of the machine here, nice and tight, so the SodaStream logo is on the side there, so that's all in and ready to go. We put the back cover back on and we're ready to start fizzing, so I'm going to fill up this water bottle. I'll see you guys in just a second. Welcome back guys, I've lowered the camera a little bit so you can see a little bit better. So we pull out the nozzle right here, put the water bottle right the way to the top and push the machine back. So that will hold onto the water bottle itself. So now we can add some fizz. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. That should give us sort of a medium fizz. So pull the machine forward and you'll hear it disengage. And now that is so much better than store-bought sparkly water because it's fresh, it's cold out the tap, it's fresh off the machine. Oh, that's really nice. And you can add like different flavours to it as well. You can add some lemons, some limes, you can add any of the SodaStream syrups as well. So I hope you guys have enjoyed this unboxing and little mini test there of the SodaStream Fizzi. Details about how to get one of these machines is in the description below, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!